So if you've been struggling with fatigue, brain fog, dull skin, or just that feeling of being older than you are, start with sleep. Not new supplements, not another extreme diet, just good, deep, natural rest. Because when you fix your sleep, everything else falls into place. Now you might be wondering, Dr. Patrick, how many hours should I actually sleep? The truth is, everyone's a little different, but most adults need between 7 and 9 hours of quality sleep. What matters more is how you feel when you wake up. If you wake up naturally before your alarm, refreshed and alert, that's your body's way of saying, I got enough. If you're dragging yourself out of bed hitting snooze 3 times, or depending on caffeine to survive the day, that's a sign you're not getting the deep sleep your body needs. And remember, it's not just the number of hours, it's the consistency. Skipping sleep during the week and catching up on weekends doesn't work. Your body doesn't store sleep like a bank. You need to give it rest every night to keep your hormones balanced and your cells youthful. Here's one last piece of the puzzle: your mindset before bed. Many people lie awake not because of physical issues, but because of mental overload. The stress, worries, and endless to-do lists running in your mind keep your body in fight or flight mode. Try this. Before bed, write down your thoughts or things you need to do tomorrow. Clear your mental space. Tell yourself, I'll handle it in the morning. Then breathe deeply, in through your nose, out through your mouth a few times. You'll be amazed how fast your body lets go once your mind does. Sleep truly is the bridge between today's exhaustion and tomorrow's energy. It's your built-in rejuvenation system, designed by nature to keep you young, strong, and alive. So tonight, instead of seeing sleep as wasted time, see it as the most productive, healing, and youth-boosting thing you can do for yourself. Imagine waking up every day with clear skin, sharp focus, calm energy, and a natural smile. That's what happens when your nights work for you, not against you. If you take away one message from this video, let it be this: the secret to youth isn't found in a pill, a diet, or a magic cream. It's found in the quiet hours when your body and mind finally get to rest. So tonight, give yourself permission to power down early. Dim the lights, put the phone away, breathe deeply, and let your body do what it was designed to do: heal, repair, and renew. You'll wake up tomorrow not just feeling rested, but reborn. If this video helped you understand the science of sleep and how it connects to youthfulness, then take a second right now to support the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos on longevity and natural wellness. Share this video with a friend who's been feeling tired or aging faster than they should, because sometimes the solution is as simple as a good night's sleep. And before you go, I'd love to know, how many hours of sleep do you usually get? Drop it in the comments below and tell me one change you're going to make tonight to improve your sleep. Let's grow together, younger, stronger, and more alive, one night at a time. Until next time, I'm Dr. Patrick, reminding you, rest is not weakness. Rest is renewal. Sleep well, stay youthful, and I'll see you in the next video.